Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the lowercase q from alphabet lore. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's start by drawing an angled line down in the middle of the page. Now from the top, let's curve it out to the left, back down and in, stopping about here. Now underneath, let's draw another small curve. And then an angle underneath, like this. Now from the bottom, let's draw a line over to the right. And then at the end, let's curve it back up. Now let's hop up and let's draw another curve down like this. Then a curve below it here. Then an S-shaped curve down and back in like this to finish off the tail. And that's it for the shape of the letter Q. Now let's draw the eyes. Let's start inside on the top right and let's draw a curve across here. Then from the left side, let's bring it up and over to the right. And then a curve up on the other side. And now let's close off the end with the curve. Next, let's erase that overlapping line inside. And lastly, for this eye, let's draw a curved rectangle shape inside near the top. And now let's color it in black. Now let's move over and draw the other eye. On the top left here, let's draw a large curve up and over. Then let's curve it back down, in, and down like this. And again, let's draw that curved rectangle inside. And again, let's color it in black. And that's it for the eyes. Next, let's move inside and draw the mouth. Let's start with the curve down, then curve it around and close off the bottom. And then inside, let's draw two diagonal lines. And lastly, inside here, let's draw three small ovals. And that's it for lowercase q. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!